Hi, everyone. My name is Ryan.
And I'm Emma. Welcome back. We hope you're having a great day.
Today, we're talking about something many people feel scared about.
Yes, giving a talk in college or at work.
Just hearing the words, give a talk, makes some people nervous.
That's true. My heart used to beat very fast before every talk.
Mine too. I remember standing in front of the class with shaking hands.
Really?
Oh, yes. I thought everyone was looking at my mistakes.
I felt the same way. But later, I learned something.
What was that?
Most people are thinking about themselves, not about your mistakes.
That's true.
So today, let's imagine two situations.
One is a talk in college.
And the other is a talk at work.
We'll see that both are almost the same.
Let's imagine we're college students.
Okay.
Tomorrow, we have to give a talk in our class.
5 minutes doesn't sound very long.
But when you're standing in front of everyone,
5 minutes feels like an hour.
exactly.
What should we do first?
First, get ready early. Don't wait until the last night. I made that mistake once.
Really?
Yes, I stayed awake until 2 a.m., and then the next morning I was tired and sleepy.
That sounds hard.
So, getting ready early is always better.
Now imagine we're standing in front of the class.
I take a deep breath.
I smile.
Then I begin. Good morning, everyone. My name is Emma.
Good.
Today, Ryan and I will talk about online shopping.
Simple and easy.
That's enough for the beginning.
Then we talk about our subject.
We don't need big words.
Right.
Many people shop online today.
It saves time.
People can stay at home.
They can look at many prices.
But there are also some bad things.
Sometimes the product looks different.
Sometimes you have to wait for delivery.
See? Very easy English.
Short sentences are easier to understand.
At the end, we say,
Thank you for listening.
now let's imagine we're working in an office.
Today, our boss asks us to give a short talk.
About the month's work. The order is still the same.
Say hello first, then tell everyone what you'll talk about.
Talk about your main point, and then finish with, thank you. Emma, do you still feel nervous before a talk?
Sometimes.
Really?
Yes, many people still feel nervous.
What do you do?
I take 3 slow breaths and drink some water. Then I tell myself that I can do this.
I like that. Where should we look?
Don't only look at your slides.
Right.
Look at different people in the room.
Don't keep looking at one person.
Yes, that makes everyone feel included.
I used to speak very fast. I wanted to finish quickly. Now, I speak slowly.
Speaking slowly is much better.
What about slides?
Keep them simple. Don't put too many words and add pictures if you can.
And don't read every word. Talk to the people, not the screen.
What if someone asks a hard question?
First, listen carefully. Then think for a moment. If you know the answer, tell them.
And if you don't know?
You can say, that's a good question. I don't know the answer right now, but I'll find it.
That's honest.
What's the best way to get better?
Practice. Practice in front of a mirror and with your friends. Record yourself on your phone.
Watch the video. Listen to your voice. Practice again. Every time you practice, you get better. Before we finish, let's share 5 easy tips.
Tip number 1. Get ready early.
Tip number 2. Practice a few times.
Tip number 3. Speak slowly.
Tip number 4. Smile and look at the people.
Tip number 5. Don't worry about small mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Whether you're giving a talk in college or giving a talk at work, remember, you don't need perfect English. You only need to speak clearly.
Every talk helps you learn. Every mistake helps you get better. So believe in yourself.
Try giving a 1-minute talk in English about yourself, your college, your job, or your favorite hobby.
Just keep speaking. That's how you improve.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it.
Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
Tell us in the comments, what topic should we talk about next? We'd love to hear your ideas.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
Keep learning.
Keep smiling,
Keep speaking English.
and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!